Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for May 16. $17.7 million has been set aside in the 2012-2013 budget to continue the work to develop Jamaica's water sector policy and rural master plan. The project, which began in April 2011, is ultimately intended to provide at least 85% of rural households with access to safe potable water. It's expected that the Rural Water Master Plan will provide the foundation for making that happen. The project has been funded primarily through loans and grants from the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB). A one-year program is now underway to use non-judicial bodies to deal with many cases involving children in conflict with the law. The goal is to deal with these cases outside of the formal judicial proceedings so these youngsters can avoid a criminal record and the negative effects of formal judicial proceedings. The National Child Diversion Program, which commenced in April this year, has received a boost with a budget allocation of $33.36 million in the 2012-2013 estimates of expenditure. Among other things, the money will go towards sensitizing 240 prescribed professionals on the need to report child sexual abuse cases, solicit Cabinet's approval and implement the National Child Diversion Policy, and develop a case management database for all stakeholders. Under the program, 4 children diversion committees and centers will be set up in the Kingston metropolitan area, St. James, St. Catherine, and Clarendon. The Ministry of Youth and Culture will be spending over $410 million on youth development programs in the 2012-2013 financial year. The money is going towards the Youth Development Program, which is designed to help unattached youths transition to adulthood and the world of work. It's funded by the government and the Inter-American Development Bank and involves training, on-the-job experience, information dissemination, and labor intermediation services. In the 2012-2013 fiscal year, the program directors will, among other things, work on revising the National Youth Policy and the National Youth Service curriculum. 2 NYS facilities in Clarendon and St. Catherine will also be built. Portfolio Minister Lisa Hanna encouraged youngsters this week to take full advantage of the NYS program.
So the NYS is not really a quote-unquote job. What we're doing are enhancing your workforce skills while at the same time encouraging those characteristics of volunteerism. It really is an opportunity to give back to your country, to give back to yourself.
She was addressing young people preparing to participate in this year's NYS Summer Employment Program. Education Minister Ronald Thwaites is insisting that students must respect and obey their teachers, asserting that disrespect of the educators will not be tolerated in the school system.
You must never disrespect your teachers. If you do so, you will not be able to stay in their class, let me tell you. And don't come over to the Ministry of Education and beg and give any excuse. You must respect and obey your teachers.
In the meantime, the minister says educators must continue to play their role in ensuring children are fully equipped to contribute to Jamaica's development. He was speaking at a recent function at the Holy Trinity High School. And finally, the Education Minister says individuals need to be committed to formidable partnerships for the education system to truly work for the country.
We need a partnership between community, parents, teachers, all of the staff in the schools, and indeed the state, so that we can ensure the upliftment and development of our people and the attainment of our 2030 goals.
Minister Thwaites was speaking at the Kingston Bookshop Education Support Staff Achievement Awards ceremony recently. The awards are geared at highlighting the contribution of librarians, ancillary workers, secretaries, and other support staff in schools. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.